The deep sea is a mysterious and alien world home to some of the most bizarre and fascinating creatures on the planet. Descend past the reach of sunlight, and you enter a domain where life has adapted in extraordinary ways to the crushing pressure, icy temperatures, and pitch-black darkness. One of the most iconic residents of the deep is the anglerfish. This creature has captured imaginations worldwide, thanks to its menacing appearance and bioluminescent lure. Female anglerfish, equipped with sharp teeth and a luminescent protrusion dangling from their heads, use their glow to attract unsuspecting prey in the inky darkness. The anglerfish's courtship is equally fascinating. The much smaller males attach themselves to the females like parasites, eventually fusing their bodies together to share a circulatory system, ensuring a steady reproductive partnership in this barren, food-scarce environment. Venturing deeper, we encounter the colossal squid. Much larger and more elusive than the giant squid, this deep-sea behemoth can grow up to an astonishing 45 feet in length. It roams the cold, crushing depths of the Southern Ocean, using its enormous eyes, the size of dinner plates, to detect faint traces of light, like the bioluminescent glow of prey or the silhouette of a predator. Its limbs, lined with sharp hooks, make it a formidable hunter, while its encounters with sperm whales have inspired some of the most dramatic marine battles ever recorded. Another inhabitant of the deep, the vampire squid, is a creature that sounds fearsome but is actually a master of evasion. With a body jet black and blood red, this small cephalopod appears to be draped in a cloak. Its name comes from the webbing between its tentacles, which it uses to envelop itself, creating a defense shield. Rather than hunting for fresh meat, the vampire squid scavenges marine snow, a steady downpour of organic debris that drifts from the ocean's upper layers. When threatened, it puts on a bioluminescent light show, distracting predators and making a swift escape into the dark. Amid this alien realm is another sight to behold, the Gulper Eel. Known for its elastic pelican-like mouth, this fish can balloon its massive jaws to swallow prey much larger than itself. Its whip-like tail ends in a bioluminescent tip which it uses as a fishing lure, while the gulper eel's stomach is equally expandable, allowing it to gulp down any available meal. This deep-sea predator often swims in a ghostly, ethereal fashion, slowly waving its tail to entice prey into striking range. The barreleye fish is a contender for one of the strangest animals in the ocean's depths. This small fish has a transparent dome-like head through which two barrel-shaped eyes peer upward to detect the silhouettes of prey swimming above. This bizarre adaptation allows the barreleye fish to spot even the faintest light trickling down from the ocean's surface. The fish's highly specialized eyes rotate, allowing it to focus on food sources or predators, while the fluid-filled dome protects its sensitive retinas from damage. The eerie, elongated shape of the dragonfish is another marvel of the abyss. With needle-like teeth and a bioluminescent barbel that dangles from its chin, the dragonfish lures in unsuspecting prey, ready to snap its jaws shut in a flash. This predator has evolved light-producing organs along its body, which help it camouflage against the dim background or communicate with potential mates. The dragonfish's ability to produce red light, a rare feature in the deep sea, gives it a unique edge, as most deep-sea creatures cannot detect this wavelength. It uses this invisibility to illuminate prey without being detected. Near volcanic hydrothermal vents, we find a community of tube worms that defies expectations about where life can thrive. These giant worms, with bright red plumes, lack a digestive system entirely. Instead, they rely on a symbiotic relationship with bacteria living inside their bodies, which convert the toxic chemicals spewed from the vents into energy. This ecosystem is fueled by chemosynthesis rather than photosynthesis, proving that life can adapt to the most extreme environments. The tube worms and their companions, like the ghostly white crabs and deep-sea mussels, showcase how life finds a way even under seemingly inhospitable conditions. At the fringes of this dark expanse swims the Cookiecutter Shark, a small yet formidable predator with one of the most unusual feeding strategies in the ocean. Named for the neat, circular wounds it leaves on its victims, this shark uses its sharp lower teeth to gouge out chunks of flesh from much larger animals like whales, dolphins, or even submarines. The Cookiecutter shark's body is covered with photophores, making it bioluminescent and giving it an edge when hunting or evading predators. The ghostly sea angel is another peculiar resident of the deep. These gelatinous, winged creatures seem almost ethereal as they flutter gracefully through the water. Unlike their names, they are ruthless predators using their tentacles to capture and devour sea snails. Their otherworldly beauty and unexpected savagery highlight the strange paradoxes that exist in the deep sea. Sea angels are translucent, revealing their internal organs, and appear to glide effortlessly, a peaceful appearance belying their carnivorous nature. Lastly, there is the deep-sea hatchetfish, known for its eerie metallic appearance. Its body, resembling a narrow hatchet blade, helps it blend seamlessly into the shadows. The hatchetfish uses a technique called counter-illumination, where it produces light from photophores on its belly to match the faint sunlight filtering down from above. This adaptation masks its silhouette from predators lurking below. The hatchetfish's large, upward-facing eyes are highly sensitive to light, making it a master of survival in a world where danger can come from above or below. The deep sea continues to reveal creatures that defy the imagination, each one uniquely adapted to survive in one of Earth's most extreme environments. These animals, whether fearsome predators or gentle drifters, represent the incredible diversity of life that thrives in the darkest, deepest waters of our planet.